institution. Then, why I'm going to the national authority? If I do not find in my country these competences, then I'm going to the European Commission and ask funds and also partners for doing this. Then we have the region of knowledge and support for regional research driver cluster. That is quite interesting also program. For example, in Timisoara we are doing this for building an IT cluster in which industry, academia, and also users of the IT are together in such a cluster in which we are discussing about implementation of different services that are useful for these participants. But surely it's not, as I said, cannot be national. Therefore, these clusters are deemed to be between different countries. And the neighbor country are contributing, for example, to our cluster. So, research potential of convergence regions. I have mentioned you that my unit will run from 1st of January such project. It's one partner project. We will receive 2.4 million euros, in which we will be able to build the human resources around the supercomputer that we have. What we can do there, we have movements, mobilities to learn from other teams. We can buy equipment. We will run a lot of workshops. And also, if potentially is desired, we can be evaluated to an international level. Then there are some directions that are oriented toward reaching the society, like the science in society, in science education, special events that are organized and are targeting the public and their understanding what is useful in science. And also some science prizes that are not offered now, but will come more in the next kind of framework. Support for development of research policy, again addressed to the national agencies, and international cooperation. Romania is inside such area in which, again, national units are, like authorities for research, are cooperating to the level of the project. So this was a large kind of bubble for the trade program 7 is open. Now we are going to what is of interest for us. Trade program 7 ICT. You have seen already several projects that have expressed here in this training what they are doing and how they are doing. How they are doing. How we can do the same. So ICT is the largest, has the largest budget in the cooperation program. Why? It's simple. We can easily cooperate in this field, compared with other fields which are depending on certain labs. There are different trying to build such large program for letters, for example, that are nationally specific. You cannot do it. No? ICT is by definition international, so you can do it easily. And it's also important for Europe and also for the entire world to work on these facilities that are supporting the other sciences. So, how the ICT program is working? Each 2 years appear a new work program. seconds this kind of code. I will discuss about them. But first of all, how we can access this course. So there are several ways of, several types of proposals with which we can come. You make research and you want to do research. So in this case, the two ones are the best one. So large-scale integration projects are projects with huge money. We are talking about projects that can have from 5 millions to 30 millions euro. There is no restriction in the number of partners there. I have evaluated projects with 92 partners. Other projects are smaller. I have seen also projects with 9 partners. But in all, there are strong industry partners there. The name is integrated project. Integrated. So we should integrate something. We have different ideas. Innovation. It's not going only in one direction. We have several ideas. And we have a big impact with this. Impact is measured in different ways. Take up by big industry. Reaching to a large scale the civil society. So these kind of projects are usually finalized with 2 or 3 technological platforms, either used by large companies, but also open source products. Why I'm talking about here about huge projects? Also because in the case of IT we have large industries, IBM, SAP, Telefonica. In a certain measure, also other companies, Microsoft are trying to penetrate and get some money from the European Commission. But the particularity is this kind of industry are putting half of the money from themselves. So they are investing in this research. They are not going to such projects and catch money from the Commission 100%. They are receiving just half of them. So they should be motivated to invest in this project and to gain something from the European